Have you ever said, "I go yesterday"? It sounds simple, but it's wrong. Many beginners make this mistake. And honestly, if you keep making this mistake, people will notice. But don't worry, in this video, you'll learn the easiest way to talk about the past. In just few minutes. Let's fix it immediately. Not "I go yesterday", but "I went yesterday". Just one change, big difference. When you talk about something in the past, you need to change the verb. Because it already happened. The basic pattern is super simple. Subject, plus verb 2. Example, I studied. She played tennis. They visited a museum. Let's make it real. I watched Netflix. I cleaned the room. I listened to a podcast. Simple, but correct. Here's a trick. If you see words like yesterday, last night, last week, you need past tense. Your turn. I blah 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 dinner yesterday. Cooked. I cooked dinner yesterday. Big mistake beginners make. They forget to change the verb. Don't do this. Quick. Answer in your head. Walk, walked. Eat, ate. Read, read. If you got most of them right, you're already better than many beginners. And that's a big step. But here's the problem. Not all verbs are easy like play become played. Some verbs change completely. And this is where most learners get confused. In the next video, I'll show you all the important irregular verbs. So you stop guessing and start speaking correctly. Don't miss it.